Hello Handwork Studio friends, I hope you're having a wonderful day and welcome to another DIY project. My name is Allie and I love so many things about October. The weather, Halloween, and some yummy treats. So today we are going to make our own Oreo bats. It's a very simple project with just 3 simple ingredients. Some Oreos, chocolate chips, and white icing. To get started, we're going to take our Oreo and carefully break it apart. Just like that. You can go ahead and wipe the icing off with a knife, a plate, or you can just lick it off. Next, we're going to take our Oreo that now has the icing off and break it right down the middle. It's okay if it's not perfect. Just like that. Next, we're going to take those 2 pieces that we just broke off and get another Oreo. And just like this, insert it in. If you want, you can add a little more icing so that it's really secure. That's looking just like a bat already, right? Okay, for our next step, we're gonna go ahead and add some eyes. You're gonna go ahead and put 2 little icing dots on top of your Oreo. Just like that, and then put those chocolate chips right on top. There we have it. I'm gonna go ahead and add a cute little mouth and we're done. And there you have it, our little Oreo bats. These look so good, it almost looks too good not to eat. But I'm gonna eat it anyway. Have fun making your Oreo bats. Happy crafting!